Hi grade 3s, Mr. Straighten here. Hope you're having a splendid day. I want to take a little bit of time just to go over one of our assignments that we did last week and we will be doing this week. And that is our reading assignment on book critiques. Last week we did a critique on the story The Good Egg. And this week we're going to be doing one on the story What to Do with a Problem, or choosing your own book. What I want to get out of this is just the expectations we have for completing your assignment. Sometimes our writing doesn't have enough information. Our answers are very simple, and it doesn't share really what our thoughts and ideas are. An example of this is in our critique where it did say, what did you enjoy about this story? And why? That's a really important part. Sometimes we'll answer like, this story was really funny. Now, the book may have been funny, but you're not sharing why it's funny. You're not actually telling us anything other than a pretty vague idea that it's a funny book. So I want more details. Why is it funny? Go into specifics of the book. And if you read the instructions, it says you're going to learn how to critique a book. Practice thinking about what you have just read and answer a few questions about it. So you need to remember to add more detail to your answers by using the 5 W's. Who, what, when, where, and why. And good words to use are because, another reason, or also. So I'm going to use some of those to answer in a more detailed way, what did you enjoy about this story? So a good answer would sound a little bit more like this. I enjoyed The Good Egg because it was very funny. For example, in the book, I loved how the bad eggs did really funny things to the good egg. For instance, they had pillow fights at nighttime when they're supposed to be sleeping. I really liked the part where the egg was swinging from the chandelier trying to hit a target. That was hilarious. If you remember, there was a part in the bathroom where they had toilet paper all over the place surrounding the good egg, and they had a plunger on his head. And then at the end of the book, even though the good egg tried to make the other eggs really good, I really like the part at the end when they're all back in the carton, and right in the back, one of the bad eggs has a hammer hanging over the good egg shell, and we know what a hammer would do to that shell. I thought that book was really funny for all of these parts. Now, do you notice I'm giving lots of details about why it's funny? I'm adding details from the book to make a point of sharing my ideas. You have a better idea now of why I think this book is funny. So this coming week, I want you to try and think of those details, that why. Think of those 5 W's, who, what, when, where, and why, and share those with your answers. Not just the simple answer, the book is funny, or the book is very serious, but why do you think that? Well, I hope that explains things. Hope you're having a great day. Stay safe and stay healthy.